Is Windows failing to load because of the Clipboard User Svc DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. As we prepare to fix Clipboard User Svc manually, consider the professional maintenance path for a more stable workstation. This is the Clipboard User Svc. It manages the modern Windows Cloud Clipboard, Win plus V, and cross-device copy-paste history. It handles the synchronization of clipboard data with the user's Microsoft account. If corrupted, the Clipboard History feature will stop working, and users will receive a Clipboard Service could not be initialized error in the Windows settings menu. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore Clipboard User Svc DLL. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to re-scan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Clipboard User Svc component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Using an incorrect or unverified version of Clipboard User Svc DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. A maintenance-related solution is referenced below for users who want to review diagnostic options for Clipboard User Svc. If you've regained access to Clipboard User Svc thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.